Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set TikTok sound as your iPhone alarm sound on any iPhone. Now for that, first of all, just open the TikTok app and download any video which you like the sound of. Now I have already downloaded a TikTok video on my iPhone. Now once you download the TikTok video, then go to the Photos app. Now as you can see, this is the TikTok video which I have downloaded. Now to set this music as the ringtone for my iPhone, first of all, we will have to convert this video into an audio file. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Safari app. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. Then tap on Choose File. Now from here, just select Photo Library. Now in your Photos app, just select the video which you have downloaded from TikTok. Then tap on Done. Now once you select your video, now in the Convert Your Files to section, just select MP3. After that, just tap on Convert Now. Now just wait for a few seconds for it to convert the MP4 file to MP3. Now once the selected video is converted to MP3 file, just tap on Download. Now just tap on Download. Now just tap on the Downloads icon over here. Then select Downloads. Now in the Downloads section, as you can see, this is the audio file which we have just created. Now once you convert your video to an MP3 file, then tap on the Share button and select Save to Files. From here, just select the folder where you want to save your audio file. Now from here, if you tap on the name of your MP3 file, you can change the name of your custom audio. For an example, I will name it TikTok Sound. Now just tap on Save. Now after you do that, now just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Now once you install this app, just tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon. And if it is your first time using this app, you will be already on this page. Now from here, just swipe to the right or to the left side and select Audio Recorder. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just tap on the third icon from the upper left side. Now as you can see, we have opened the timeline. Now from here, just tap on the loop icon and then tap on Files. Now from here, just tap on the Browse Items from Files app. Now from here, just select the sound which we have just created. Now as you can see, this is the sound which we have created. Now just tap and hold on the sound which we have created. Now just drag it to the timeline. Now from here, you can crop the sound as you like. And you can also drag it to the start. Now if you tap on the play icon, you can play the sound which we have just created. Now in the music, you can hear a ticking sound. Now to disable this ticking sound, just disable this triangle icon. Now once you disable this triangle icon and once you edit the sound as you like, just tap on the drop down arrow, then tap on My Songs. Now as you can see, this is the custom sound which we have just created. Now just tap and hold on the sound and select Share. Now from here, just tap on Ringtone. Now from here, just give a name to your custom sound. For an example, I will name it TikTok Music. Now once you give a name to your custom sound, just tap on Export. Now as you can see, Ringtone exported successfully. Now just tap on OK. From here, just go to your home screen. Now just open the Clock app on your iPhone. Now from here, just go to Alarms. Then tap on the plus icon and create a new alarm. Now to set the custom sound which we have created, just tap on Sound. Now from this list, just select the custom music sound which we have just created. Now as you can see, we have successfully set the TikTok sound as our iPhone alarm sound. Now just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can set TikTok sound as your iPhone alarm sound on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.